Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Radar, and we have the Oppo's latest budget-centric smartphone, and that's the Oppo F15 with 3GB RAM, 32GB storage, and some interesting features on a very budget price point. Again, this comes with the AI triple rear camera with a 6.52 inches HD plus display, 40 to 30 mAh battery, a fingerprint scanner, and this is the mystery blue color with a 3GB RAM and 32GB storage. Again, this has been manufactured by Oppo Mobiles, and there are additional details mentioned here. In terms of the camera, it comes with a 13 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel camera sensor. Front is a 5 megapixel camera sensor, and it comes with a 175 grams weight, and the MRP is mentioned as 12,990 rupees. Though in case if you're planning to buy this phone, I would be sharing the link in the description where you can find a proper better deal with which you can get this phone at probably a better price point maybe. Anyway, moving on, let me just first quickly remove the plastic wrapping onto this phone's package and basically cut the seal which is on this side. And here we go, we have opened up the box, and this is the all new section of this phone. Again, first thing first, what we get here is a transparent case. Now that's a good thing. Few brands have already started skipping these cases, which is not good. I remember that was in the Narzo smartphones where we started feeling that they have started removing that. Anyway, there's a reading manual, there's a safety booklet, and a reading manual with a SIM ejector pin. So this is what we get. Apart from that, in the box we have this smartphone. Let me just open this up, and that's the kind of lightweight. I mean, compared to the phones these days which I had seen were quite heavy, with a very shiny back which looks like metal, probably is plastic, probably. I mean, in a budget obviously they wouldn't give you a glass panel, fingerprint scanner on the back, and a quad camera setup which looks very cool looking. I mean, for a budget phone, does look like a very good phone. Vertical branding on the bottom. On the right we have the on off switch and the volume rockers. On the left we have the SIM card tray. On the top we have a clean design, and on the bottom we have a micro USB. Well, that was not expected in 2020 from Oppo. I mean, micro USB is something which should have gone by now. And apart from that, we have a dual microphone port probably, and also the 3.5 headphone jack and a speaker grill on the bottom with a 6.52 inches on the front with a 5 megapixel on the front. Now let me just put this phone onto the side and first take a look at the other package contents. And of course, as I mentioned earlier, there is this micro USB cable within the box itself, and of course, I expected any phone above 10,000 would at least have been with Type-C. And in terms of the power brick, we have a 10 watt output, and this is a made in India charger with a BIS rating and everything from Oppo Mobile. So this is what we get within the box. Now it's time to take a look at this brand new smartphone, and that's the new boot animation which has been incorporated with from the last probably few months, and that does look very cool. It's time to set up the phone. Let me just completely do the setup first, I mean super quick, and then show you what we get within this smartphone. And that's the ColorOS welcome screen which says ColorOS 7. I guess down the line this might also get the ColorOS 11 update, but right now this is a budget phone, and out of the box you get ColorOS 7. And this is the home screen where you have a bunch of different applications. In terms of the bloatware, you consider Amazon as bloatware or not, it depends on you. I would anyway install it, so I won't consider it as a bloatware. But talking about other application, it kind of looks like no other pre-installed applications, very less applications. I mean, I won't say no, but yes, quite a few applications. And in terms of settings, we have these options, and under about phone you can take a look that it comes with ColorOS 7.2, Android 10 out of the box, which is good enough, not great. Should come with Android 11 update probably soon. 32GB storage, out of which we get 19GB available out of the box, which is also not bad. And this is what we get onto the smartphone. Now talking about the camera application, this is what you get. Again, this comes with a 13 megapixel primary rear camera, and apart from that it comes with a 2 megapixel depth sensor and also a 2 megapixel macro sensor. So here we go, this is what we get, 2x, and that's the 5x zoom. And apart from that we also have the portrait mode, and apart from that we have a bunch of different additional modes also. In terms of night mode also you have night mode, and in video also you have an option to zoom in up to 5x, and if we talk about videos, the resolution is at full HD, which is a good thing. And if I talk about the front camera, let me just quickly check out the resolution of the front camera, and here we have a 720p resolution, but yes, that can be upgraded up to 1080p. So you have full HD video recording in the front and the back, and a bunch of different camera modes. And that's the ColorOS 7.2 with the Helio P75 running in the background, 3GB RAM, 40 to 30 mAh battery, and a fingerprint scanner on the back. And that's all about the Oppo's latest smartphone, which is the Oppo A15. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and stay subscribed to Phone Ref for more videos like these. I'm Amit, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.